Romanian deadlift, or an RDL. It's a deadlift where the weight doesn't touch the floor. And so that concentrates more on the hamstrings and your glutes. So the way you want to do this, have your feet hip width apart or shoulder width apart. You can take a narrower stance. The movement is you're hinging from the hip while keeping a flat or neutral back. So you're not arching the back, you're keeping a flat back. So that would look like from the hips, you hinge back, keeping a soft knee. So you don't have to keep the knees locked. You can keep them slightly bent. And your back's not rounded like this. It's not hyper arched. Nice and neutral. So we slide the hips back, flat back. When the weight gets to the midpoint of the shin or a little bit closer to the ankle, then from the hips, you're going to drive your hips up and forward. So with the weights, chest up, shoulder back, slide the hips back, flat back, drive the hips up and forward. You also want to keep your shoulder blades back as you go down. Driving the hips up and forward and squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement.